everyone, welcome back. Episode 2 of Buying Real Estate. All right, this is a serious one, everyone. Pre-qualification. You got to get that pre-qualification for that mortgage as soon as possible. Why? You need to know your budget. You know, you may be looking at homes that are $400,000, but you may only be qualified for a home for $380,000, or better yet, you may be qualified for a home that's $420,000. $20,000 could put you in a completely different bracket of homes, so you need to know that number. Also, you need the ability to make an offer. A seller's agent will not entertain any offers without that pre-qual attached. At a nightmare scenario, you go into a home and you realize it's your dream home. You want this home. You want to make an offer as soon as you can. And in the day or two it takes to draw up this offer and get everything to the loan officer that they need, a buyer may come in, make an offer, it gets accepted, and it's off the market. So you want that number. You want to be able to put an offer in as quick as possible, because your competition, they're going to have this all set up. They're going to have it all ready to go. So you want that done as well. A good loan officer. All right, a loan officer is one of the most important people in a real estate transaction. And you want to do your diligence here. You want to talk to your friends, you want to talk to your family, you want to talk to a real estate agent, you talk to me, contact me, I'll gladly help out any way I can. You want to do your diligence here, because a pre-qualification is only as good as the loan officer. Yeah, you get a great loan officer, you get your pre-qualification, and there should be nothing standing in your way to getting that mortgage and getting to the finish line. All right, everyone, I hope this helps out. Please contact me if you have any questions. You got pre-qual, you got your list all drawn up, you're ready for episode 3. All right, everyone, take it easy.